There are 16 general principles in research ethics. 1. Honesty in all scientific communications and do not practice deception. 2. Openness, by able to share the research results and accept criticism along with new ideas. 3. Objectivity. The research is free from bias. Disclose personal or financial interests that can affect research. 4. Legality. Must obey laws from the institution and the government. 5. Human subjects protection. The researcher must respect the participants' privacy and dignity. Handle vulnerable populations with precautions. 6. Integrity. By keeping agreements and have consistent thoughts and action. 7. Confidentiality. By protecting confidential communications. 8. Animal welfare. The animals used in research should be respected and cared for. Design experiment thoroughly before conducting an experiment involving an animal.
Moving on to the ninth principle, non-discrimination. Researchers should be able to work together with colleagues without discrimination based on unrelated factors. 10. Carefulness. Be cautious to avoid any error and keep records of all research activities. 11. Respect intellectual property. Researchers should ask permission before using unpublished research and give acknowledgement to the contributors. 12. Responsible publication. A researcher should publish to further research and not duplicative publish. 13. Researchers should have social responsibility to advocate civil good through research and education. 14. Competence. Researchers should keep learning to maintain and improve competency. Next, responsible mentoring. A good researcher is willing to educate students and encourage them to make their own decisions. Lastly, regards for colleagues. A researcher should have high regard and fair treatment among research colleagues.
Ethics are important as they cover up effects and give justice to the living organism and environment. For example, bioethics. Bioethics in biotechnology is also important as the researchers' right and welfare can be protected and as well to reduce the risk of discomfort or damage that may arise from the research procedure. Lastly, ethics are important in biotechnology as it can protect the researcher's right for conducting a legal research and reputation of the organization that is supporting the research and claim for negligence toward the specific researchers, institution or organization to be reviewed if ethics are abided.